is in Cancer sign, then you will be known as a Cancer. Then Moon is a owner of the Cancer sign, and because Moon is sometimes waxing, sometimes waning, so if at that time Saturn is influencing Moon, there is some event in the life which will be remarkable. You will be known, or you will remember that event. And normally Cancer people take long time to come on decision, because they think about from others' angle also. And Cancer people like to have good money in their life. And because their digestion is weak, so normally Cancer people have digestion and breathing related issues.